Hi everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Few Minutes with Harvey. Hello guys! So if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest uploads. I am really happy guys. Today is Sunday. It's a bit gloomy day as you can see. But I am really happy because we will be going to Paris, France. I'm really excited guys because this is my first time going to Paris. And it will be a 4-day trip. I already posted one video regarding the requirements and bag essentials. So I've discussed there the Eurostar guidelines on what you can bring and what you cannot bring. I already put the link there. And so please watch all the Paris vlogs that I will be posting for the next couple of weeks. So for today, I am now on my way to the train station because our call time is 8 o'clock in the morning. And it's already 7:15 in the morning here. And hopefully it will be a 4 days of sunny days because I am really pleading God to make these 4 days sunny because I really want to maximize Paris to extent that we will enjoy everything without the hassle, if you know what I mean guys. So if you are new to this channel guys, do not forget to like down, and if you guys want, you can see all the photos and other bits of snaps and videos that I am taking to my social media accounts. It's JANHARVY John Harvey on Facebook, John Harvey on Instagram, and John Harvey 3 on TikTok. So I will not further prolong this. I'll try to speak in English as much as I can, but I cannot promise that I will be speaking in English all throughout the video, because for sure when me and Diana started to talk about something, for sure we will speak in our native language, which is Filipino. Don't you worry guys, I will see to it that I will put all the English captions down there so you guys can enjoy and understand all the things that I will be talking about. So let me just put down the phone first as we go along to the train station because I don't want Diana to be mad at me again. So see you guys in a bit, okay? Hello guys, luckily we were able to catch the 7:24 train going to London Bridge. Since there is no direct line for the moment to London St. Pancras. Sorry, let me catch my breath. So we will go first to London Bridge, and then we will transfer to subway or underground going to London St. Pancras. So we will just message Diana that we are on our way, and I will not take any videos of anything because I want this video to solely focus on Paris. So we will just continue the vlog when we reach. Sorry, I'm really catching my breath because I ran and I carried my luggage. So we will just take a video when we are in Eurostar already. So I'll keep you guys updated and we will not do any more montage, okay? You'll see me after this. And we are now here at London St. Pancras International Station. So as you can see guys, I'm not comfortable in speaking in English because I know that many people will understand what I'm saying instead of speaking in my vernacular. But then again, I'll still try to finish speaking in English so that most of you can understand the vlog. And I really want to expand the community, and I want everyone to enjoy the video, especially those people who can watch here in UK. So for the time being, I will just look for Diana so we can fall in line together. I'll be back. I'll just message her to know where is she. See you guys in a bit, okay? So we are now in, guys. The gates are open for 10:31 train going to Paris. So we will just scan our tickets, and I think that's basically it. Yes, ticket ready to be scanned. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll cut this first. So I'm now here with Diana. She don't want to be in the camera because she doesn't have makeup now. So I will just scan my ticket. There you go. So we can go in already. And the check will be there. So let's just cut the video and we'll be back. I think this is the what? Laughing, huh? She's not used. Because mostly when I'm doing vlog, I'm always speaking in Filipino. But now, we're trying to speak in English because we want to expand the community. And she's laughing. Okay, well, I'll cut this first. We'll be back later. Hi guys, so basically we are now here inside and I am just here in the comfort room trying to vlog because I am really shy when it comes to speaking in English outside. So basically what happened there is we just scanned our tickets and then they check our bags for those things that we cannot bring inside the train. And after that they just check our passport if we have the visa, if they just ask the usual immigration thing. And now we are just waiting here. I am not going to vlog anymore after this, and we will just continue vlogging when we are inside the train already, just to share to you the experience. More or less, I will not speak in English on some other portions of the vlog, but I'll make sure that I will put some subtitles here just for you to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'll be out now because I am here staying inside the PWD comfort room and I'm not supposed to be here. So I'm really sorry for that. I just want to update you guys to an environment on where it's quiet and at the same time I'm comfortable in speaking. Okay guys, I'll be back later. Bye-bye. Okay guys, time to board the train. So this is the Eurostar and I will just tell you about what's going to happen inside later. We will just look for our coach number 6 and then we will try to fix ourselves first, then we'll try to talk to each other again. Hi, my goodness, ang hirap mag-English, pagod na ako. Okay, I'll just put some captions there for all the Tagalog words that I'm saying. Okay, so here's coach number 6 to Paris. Today! Okay. Okay guys, I am really happy. We are now here in Paris.
Oh my gosh!
I am now finally stepping into the soil of Paris, France. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm just really happy because I was able to check one of the countries that I would really like to visit. And now we have the chance to explore and enjoy Paris. Hopefully it will be really sunny for the next 4 days. And currently it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon here. It's 1 hour advance in UK and 7 hours behind from the Philippines. So I will keep you guys updated. We will just exit the train station and we will just drop our stuff into the hotel and we will start touring around. I am really excited and I don't know, but I'm really struggling to send jokes or to deliver jokes in English, but it would be much easier if I speak in vernacular. So there are times that I will be speaking in Filipino, so bear with me. I'll just try to put some captions down there so you can just understand what I am saying, okay? So let me just have some videos taken for my Instagram reels. Then I'll be back to you guys. Okay, tama na pagpapanggap guys. Napagod na ako mag-English. Mas madali magsalita pag Tagalog. I'll just put some subtitles down there. Tatsagain ko yan guys. Then bababaan ko na lang yung mga Tagalog words natin para maintindihan nyo. So now, nandito na kami ngayon, naglalakad kami. And papunta na kami ng hotel namin. So it's just a 15-minute walk going to the hotel. And ilalapag na lang muna namin to. Pero ang una namin nakita ay hospital agad. So ayan, may hospital kami nakita. And may mga reels pa akong in-upload din sa Instagram. I uploaded some reels there. So if you guys want to see it, just go to my Instagram account. So I'll keep you guys updated. Tatawid na lang muna tayo. Kapag nag-green na. Akala ko hindi uso dito ang ganito. Meron din po lang ganito dito. So ikat na muna natin guys. Mag-take lang tayo ng iba pang pictures. And hello guys. After 10 minutes of walking, we are now here on our hotel for tonight. So we will be staying here at Angleterre Hotel, as you can see in front. So we will stay here for one night and then we will transfer to Disney Hotel tomorrow for our Disneyland for 2 days. So we'll just check in first and then we will tour you around the room. So I'll update you guys in a bit, okay? So hello guys, so we managed to check in and I'm now on my way up to the room. So we will be staying here for one night and we will transfer to a hotel nearer to Disneyland Park. So this elevator or this lift is for one person only. Because it's really small. Like super duper small. Good for one person. And I just noticed that some of them are rude.
Welcome to France.
Yeah, most of them, they are rude.
Video yun. Video.
Okay guys, we are now inside the room and while I'm still waiting for Diana, she said I should wait for 5 more minutes. So I will do the room tour already, okay? Let me just switch the camera to the other side. So basically, I'm on the edge already. This is the main door and then after that, you have 3 beds. Bakit nga ba 3 beds, Diana?
That's the
Kasama sa package.
Oh.
So the 3 beds are included to the package even though we're just 2. And then there's a desk here, a television, a ceiling fan, a vault, heater, and a selfie mirror. A selfie mirror. So, a full body mirror. And then there's no cabinets, but there are shelves. 3 shelves, no, actually just 2. And this is the comfort room or the shower room. There. And the faucet and the toilet itself. So that's our quick room tour, guys. I'm planning to do a separate video, but this is not big, so maybe we'll just do it on the other room when we transfer to the Disneyland Hotel. And this is the outside view of the balcony. There you go. We are on the 5th floor. And we are talking to God earlier, asking him that he should let us enjoy this day, these 4 days, and allow us to have a sunny day. And he's giving the sun. Thank you, Lord, for that. So I'm just waiting for Diana. So this is just the view. So that's it guys for today. And I'm really happy. No, not for today, not for the vlog. I mean, that's it for the room tour. I am really happy that I am now here in France. This is one of my dream countries to visit, just like what I've told you on the previous vlogs. And I'm really excited to visit all the tourist spots that we can cover for now, since I will be back here anytime soon, since it's just one train away from UK. And even though it's pricey, but then again, it's nice to go back to countries that you like to visit. So we will keep you updated guys regarding all the itineraries that we will be covering for today, and hopefully we can visit all of it and we can finish everything according to time, and hopefully the weather will be in our favor. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated and I'll be back after a few minutes. So we're out and about guys. So we are just going to buy some tickets for one-day travel. As you can see on the other screen, Diana is buying our tickets. So ultimately, pagbaba mo from the station, may mahanap ka na dapat ng mga vending machine on where you can buy your tickets. So ngayon, naghahanap lang muna kami ng ticket, then papunta na kami. Unahin na namin yung Eiffel Tower kasi baka nga maagang dumilim, and at the same time is umulan. Kaya mas pinaprioritize namin bumili ngayon ng ticket na, at doon na kami pupunta agad. So ayun, update na lang natin kayo kung ano yung next naming mapupuntahan. Kasi ngayon namimili siya from zone 1 to 3. Usually naman zone 1 to 3 lang. Then Paris visit one day. So it's 27.10 euros for the two of us. And mas mataas ang pounds, Diana, right? Mas mataas ang pounds over sa euro ngayon. Kasi alam ko before mas mataas ang euro kaysa sa ano eh. But I'm not sure. Anyway, so yun lang, update natin kayo guys. Magagawa muna ulit ako ng reel sa aking Instagram account. So here it is guys. We already bought some tickets and this will be valid for one day. We need to make sure that this will not be lost all throughout your journey, because otherwise you will pay extra 50 euros if you lost your ticket. So bear in mind that you should have this ticket all the time. Okay, so now we will go to Eiffel Tower and we will update you of our progress regarding this trip. Okay guys, mali kami ng nasakyan. Bago nagtatry kami bumalik, di kami makabunggo doon sa door. So tinigil ko na mag-English, papagod na ako. So ngayon hahanapin naman namin kung saan kami sasakay pabalik. So yun, may sign naman na M. So doon muna kami pabalik kami kasi kailangan namin bumalik dahil hindi naman kami dito talaga pupunta. So ang dami dito. Parang Tianggian lang pala yung mga gilid-gilid dito. So papunta.
Tapos may laros. Tianggian pero may laros.
So pabalik kami, and buti napansin ni Diana na babawasan yung ilaw namin papalapit dun sa station. Sayang, enjoy pa naman ng pagkakaupo namin. Anyway, sakay muna ulit kami ng metro pabalik. Then update ko kayo guys kung saan na kami mapapadpad. Hopefully, sa tama, and hopefully ma-manage ko na malagyan to lahat ng English caption. Kasi kung hindi, patay na naman. Pero I'll try to speak in English as much as I can, so that the English subtitles will be lessened. So okay, going down again to the metro. And we'll be back after a while, okay? So hello guys, so we are now here at Trocadero. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly because I've heard it differently on how they say it. But we are now close to the Eiffel Tower and we will just update you once we are there, okay? So hopefully we will not have any problems later. I'll keep you guys updated regarding the progress. And guys, nandito na kami sa labas. Pray for me na lang na hindi ito ma-upload. kundi matulad talaga ako kay Micah. Hi Micah! Nandito na kami sa France. Sayang! Update ko kayo guys, i-montage natin to, sayang eh. Guys, grabe! It feels really surreal. I am really happy, promise guys. Hindi ko ma-explain yung tuwa ko. Na yung nakikita ko lang siya noon sa mga videos. Now finally I can see it with my own eyes. Grabe, sobrang thank you Lord. Hindi ko mapigilan yung ngiti ko, promise. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Madaming tao pero grabe, sobrang ganda, promise guys. Wala ako ibang masabi. Sobrang saya ng heart ko. This is a really dream come true for me. Wala ako ibang masabi. Yung mga nasa bucket list ko, grabe guys, napupuno ko na unti-unti ko na siya mapuno. Hindi ko alam, naiiyak ako. Pero grabe, sobrang happy ko. I-montage ko siya ulit for you guys, pero sobrang saya ko, promise. Wala na ako ibang masabi. Yun na lang talaga, kundi sobrang saya ko. Pakita ko siya sa inyo ng mas malapit. So ayan guys, so after we took some photos, if you want to see all those photos, you can just see it and sort it. See it, say it, sort it. You can just look on it sa ating Instagram account. It's John Harvey on Instagram. So ngayon papunta na kami, mas lalapit kami sa mas malapit na view ng Eiffel Tower. And wala na akong masabi, yun lang. Paulit-ulit ko lang sinasabi na sobrang niyang ganda in person. Even though makalat, na alam din naman nating lahat sa ibang vlog na yun ang complain nila sa France, na makalat nga daw, and at the same time is medyo magulo. Which is somehow totoo. Kasi parang pansin nyo dun sa mga photos, if you can check it, may mga vandalism na sayang na sana hindi nila ginawa kasi para mas ma-preserve, mas maganda yung maging view nila dito sa spot nila. Pero anyway, the experience itself is still nice and ma-appreciate mo pa rin yung ganda talaga ng Eiffel Tower itself. So balikan ko kayo mamaya guys, take lang muna ako ng another reel for my Instagram. So guess what guys, kung nasaan kami, kung on where we are right now. And we are really in front of the Eiffel Tower. See? The view is really mesmerizing. I am really stunned because this is my first time in France and France is giving. Even though na yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo medyo makalat, pero still, France is France, Eiffel is Eiffel. And hindi mo matatanggal talaga yung ganda niya talaga. Wala, okay, katulad ng pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, wala na ko ibang nasabi kundi sobrang ganda niya, sobrang fulfilling kasi at the same time na-checkan mo yung mga nasa bucket list mo, and I am really happy na nagawa ko yun. For more countries to come pa talaga na ma-visit natin, and sa mga more how do you call that, important marks or landmarks kung saan nakikilala yung iba't ibang bansa. Sana mapuntahan natin yun lahat and mapuno natin yung passport natin ng stamps ng iba't ibang country. Kaya sobrang thankful lang talaga ako na nakapag-France ako ngayon. So update ko kayo guys later kung ano pa yung mga magagawa namin. May mga pupuntahan pa kami ibang sites and hopefully makover namin siya before kami mag-Seine River Cruise or Seine River Cruise. Then isasama ko pa rin naman kayo all throughout the day dahil kailangan maisama ko talaga kayo dito dahil matagal natin tong pinlano. Ayan guys, so we just stayed here for at least like an hour or so, and now we will go to the Arc de Triomphe. So ngayon, nag-avail naman kami ng ticket that I discussed to you earlier. So ngayon, papunta na kami dun sa Arc de Triomphe para naman dun sa isang landmark dito sa Paris. So tingnan nyo, grabe oh. Wala lang, up until now I'm really happy and shocked at the same time talagang stunned ako to the point na nakatingin lang ako sa Eiffel Tower. Katulad nga na po ulit-ulit ko sinasabi, it's one of my dream na mapuntahan talagang country, yung Paris or yung France itself, because Paris is part of France. So ngayon papunta naman kami doon sa Arc de Triomphe. I-update ko kayo guys kung ano yung magagawa pa namin at kung saan pa kami yung papadpad ni Diana. Then more or less, babalik din naman kami dito later this evening. Kasi nandito lang din yung Seine River Cruise. And at the same time, gusto rin namin maabutan na glittering ang ilaw ng Eiffel Tower. So babalik kami dito to see the Eiffel Tower at night. So ngayon, nahanap muna kami ng bus para makapunta kami dun sa isa pang tourist spot. Update ko kayo guys. Time check pala ay 6:35 na dito. Medyo madilim na din. Pero dahil nga pa winter na din. So expect nyo guys na mas maaga yung sunset dito compared sa usual kasi nga autumn winter na. And medyo malamig na naninigas na talaga yung kamay namin. So ayan, nag-umpisa na magbukas ng mga ilaw-ilaw pero babalik pa kami mamaya pag punong-puno na ng glittering yung Eiffel Tower. Update namin kay Niana.
Teka na, wait lang. Tanggalin mo yung Harvey, bawal yun.
So ayun guys, sumakay lang kami ng metro bus nila. And then bumaba kami sa isang station. Then after nun, naglalakad na kami papunta dito sa Arc de Triomphe. Tourist friendly siya kasi may ilaw naman siya kahit na maaga nga dumilim ngayon. And ang ganda niya tingnan. Ito yung kino-cover nila ng towel eh. May nabalitaan ako before na ganun. Kino-cover siya ng towel. Then pakita ko siya sa inyo by montage kasi nasa gitna siya ng parang roundabout. Then nandito lang kami sa isang section. Then pakita ko siya sa inyo. Hi guys, as you can see, nasa likod ko yung Arc de Triomphe and nandito kami ngayon sa literally, we are in the middle of the road. Talaga nandito kami sa may stoplight area and then may padaan pa yata official. So talagang nasa gitna kami ng kalsada and makikita nyo sobrang buwis buhay para lang makakuha kami ng good photos but it's worth the try, diba? At least madami naman kayo mahuli if ever naman na mahuli kayo. And lipat lang tayo sa kabilang side and makikita nyo na mismo yung Arc de Triomphe. So tanggalin ko lang ako and i-montage natin siya ng mabilis. Ito yung pinakaharap niya, yung pinakita ko kanina yung gilid. Ayun guys, after namin sa Arc de Triomphe, ngayon ay maghahanap lang kami ng pagkakagastusan kasi masyado na nagwawala yung pera namin. De, charot lang. Then naglilibot lang kami dito sa may area na nilakaran ni Nurse Even nung nagpunta siya dito sa France. Ayun, nasa kabila yung Dior. Ayun, sa kabila. And yung mga iba-iba pang mga brands. So update namin kayo kung saan pa kami papadpad. Then 8 PM pa kasi yung ano namin eh. Kaso ano pa lang, 6 pa lang. So meron pa kaming 2 hours before kami bumalik doon sa ano. And meron din pala doon sa kabilang side na Saint Laurent. And may Boss, ganyan. Salo. Mukhang okay dito. Celio pala.
So, pumasok?
Papasok muna kami ng Celio guys. Update ko kayo mamaya kung ano pa yung kung may mabili ba kami or what. Balikan ko kayo. Of course guys, try namin ng McDonald's na ang laman ay mga macaroons. So ito, pakita ko siya sa inyo guys. Kailangan ko ng laksan maiging boses ko para hindi tayo makopyright. Kasi pang Miss Universe na yung tugtog nila.
As you can see on the video, we bought some macaroons. Those are nice. I really love the macarons of McDo. We also bought some pain au chocolat, croissant, and I think that's the cheese, cream cheese. I think that's the cream cheese. So all of them are good.
Hello guys! So ngayon nandito lang kami sa may harap nung sa may Arc de Triomphe. Dun sa may isang alley. Yung isang buong diretso ng parang city center nila. Kumain kami sa McDo as you've seen earlier. And I can say that the macarons are really nice. It tastes really good. The pain chocolate and the croissant are superb. But the sparkling water is nana. Because I've tried to get the sparkling water, but then again, I'm expecting something more, but it's not what I receive. But then again, it's still nice. So ngayon, nandito lang kami lilibot-libot, and now, lilipat kami sa kabilang area. Imomontage ko sa inyo pinaka-city center, and at the same time, nadaanan din namin kasi yung sa LV. I'm not sure kung pero hindi daw kami dito titingin ng LV, para meron pa kami isang mall na titingnan ng LV. And let's see kung makakabili tayo kung kaya naman ng budget natin. Update ko kayo guys, then after nito, pabalik na kami doon sa may Eiffel Tower to see the Eiffel Tower at night. And after nun, yun namang Seine River Cruise na nabook namin na kasama sa appointment namin for tonight. I think that's basically it. Actually, hindi naman ito yung main reason ng pagpunta namin, dahil gusto lang talaga namin mag-Disneyland. Pero syempre, as part of my first time ko kasi, so sinabi ko na daanan natin, kailangan natin madaanan yung mga landmarks dahil gusto ko talagang pumunta. So ngayon patawid na kami habang iniinom ko pa tong sparkling water. And pabalik na kami dun sa may section ng Eiffel Tower. So i-update natin kayo maya-maya. Montage muna natin. Hello guys, I don't know if you can still see us, but I think yes, you can still see us there. So we are now back here at the Eiffel Tower. Then ngayon ay open na yung lights niya. Bukod sa Seine River Cruise kami, is gusto lang talaga din namin balikan na makita ko ako siguro. Nakita mo na ba ito ng night last time? Yeah, so ako lang pala. So gusto ko talaga kasi siya makita ng night na yung nag-glitter siya. So ngayon bumalik kami, then dito na rin namin tatapusin yung day namin. Then tomorrow, magdi-Disneyland na tayo and gigising na naman tayo ng maaga. So i-montage ko siya ulit for you guys, for you to see the Eiffel Tower at night. Talagang distinct yung shape niya. So mag-picture muna kami and update namin kayo, ha? Ayan guys, I don't know kung kita nyo pa ako, pero tingnan nyo na lang yung nasa kabila. Shining, shimmering, splendid yung Eiffel Tower. And it really looks nice. So every o'clock pala siya, like 1 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, then it will last until 5 minutes nung mga hour na yon. So ayan siya. At least nakita natin siya ng gabi. So nice. Hi guys! So we are now here at the Seine River Cruise or Seine River Cruise, and I don't know how they pronounce it because they pronounce it differently. I've heard some of the station names, but it's different. They pronounce it differently from how I understood it. But then again, yeah, we are here in front of the Eiffel Tower at night, and I am currently here getting some light from the official logo of the Paris 2024 Olympics. I promise we will be back here in July to celebrate my 26th birthday alongside with supporting the Philippine team for Olympics 2024 and to support the volleyball community as well, because I really want to watch the Olympic volleyball regardless of category, whether it's men or women's. So we will be back here for sure. So now we will be riding the Seine River Cruise because it has a limited timing. So we decided to book it, and I am trying to convince Diana if we can go up there in Eiffel Tower. We will try because this will last for 30 minutes, the Seine River or Seine River Cruise. And hopefully Diana will allow us to reach the top of the Eiffel Tower. So I'll keep you guys updated, and enjoyin lang muna natin tong river cruise na to. Update ko kayo mamaya-maya. So ayan guys, we are now inside the cruise. So ngayon akit kami sa taas dahil mas gusto namin ng outside view, parang mga tug kaming dalawa. So we will go upstairs and we will show you yung pinaka mapupuntahan namin. Update ko kayo guys. So ito yung labas, yung upper deck niya. So ayun yung sa baba. Ito kami. Ito kami now. Siyempre, hindi natin susulitin natin yung yung view ng Eiffel Tower. Yan. And maupo kami dito ni Diana. So pakita na lang natin sa inyo ng montage ko. Meron pa tayong may papakita, pero if wala naman na, i-update ko na lang kayo kung ano mangyayari dito. Okay guys, mamaya na lang ulit. Hello guys, so we are now done with the Seine River Cruise, and I didn't took videos for the vlog kasi medyo madilim siya. So the only thing that I've got is some reels for my Instagram account. You can just check it on our Instagram account and look on my profile under the France bullet or icon. So I'll keep you updated guys kasi plan namin umakyat dito, and 11:45 pa daw siya nagko-close. So itatry na rin namin siya kasi sayang naman, nandito na rin kami. And sobrang lamig, grabe guys, sobrang lamig, promise. Naka-doble na ako, naka-sweater na ako, and naka-coat na, pero malamig pa din talaga siya. So i-update na lang namin kayo kung makaakyat man kami doon and kung makabili pa kami ng ticket. Then after that, kakain na lang tayo, and then we will end the day dahil magre-ready pa kami for our Disneyland tour tomorrow. So balik na lang kami mamaya guys. Hi guys, so as you can see, we are now here inside the Eiffel Tower. So I am right below it. So papakita ko siya sa inyo. Nasa pinakailalim niya lang ako. And ayan yung pinaka Eiffel Tower, nasa ibabaw natin. And sobra pa rin akong namamangha sa structure niya. And syempre yung fact na isa sa mga dream destination ng halos na ng lahat napuntahan ko. So I am really happy guys. So imamontage ko siya sa inyo. Medyo nauutal na ako kasi it's really cold, promise. Sobrang lamig. And bumibili ng ticket si Diana para makaakyat kami doon sa tuktok on where mas malamig. Kung naririnig niyo yung hangin, for sure maririnig niyo yun sa video. So update ko na lang kayo guys kung ano po yung mangyayari sa amin dito ni Diana. And wala na kayong masabi, kundi talagang ina-enjoy ko na lang tong day na to kasi once in a lifetime lang to. Katulad naman na sinabi ko sa inyo, I will be back here next year. I promise it to myself na pabalik ako next year July to watch the Paris 2024 Olympics. So I'll keep you guys updated, and hanapin ko lang muna si Diana na bumibili ng ticket. Bye-bye! So Diana is here already buying the ticket. And we will go upstairs so we can visit the Eiffel Tower. So entrance muna tayo guys. Kailangan daw palang bilisan. Okay. Date ko kayo. So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa loob and nag-aantay na lang kami ng lift. And ito yung ticket namin. Ang ticket pala dito ay 28 euros, Diana? 28 euros or 26 pounds in UK. or 1,500 pesos in Philippine peso. More or less, roughly like that. So, nag-aantay na lang kami, then videohan natin yung pag-akyat namin doon sa tuktok. Yung binili namin yung top na, ayaw namin ng bottom. So, ayun. Videohan na lang natin, i-montage natin kung ano yung makikita natin on our way up. Litaan namin kayo. Pakyat na kami. Nakatuktok. Diyos ko, nakakatakot.
If you have ticket for the summit, you should take another route, okay?
Okay. So now guys, nandito na kami sa may pinaka parang middle part. And papunta na kami ngayon doon sa summit area, yung pinakatuktok. So unahin muna namin yung picturean. Then dadaan muna kami dito sa maze na to before we reach the summit. So naglalaro kami ni Diana na patinteros. So update namin kayo guys. And it's really cold. And it will be much more colder upstairs. Balitaan namin kayo. Tapusin lang namin muna tong maze na to. Now we're on our way to summit. And then, kita nyo kung gano'n siya kataas. Taas kami ng pataas lalo. Kasi maabot namin yung tuktok ng Eiffel Tower. Mga lumalagotok na yan. Huling napanood ko yan. Final destination. Sobrang taas guys. Promise. Malula ka talaga dito. Grabe. This is too high. You can already hear the wind. My goodness. So that's it guys. So dito na kami sa summit, sa pinakatuktok. So tanaw na tanaw mo yung buong France. Yung Paris lang pala. Tanaw na tanaw mo yung buong city. Tingnan kung gaano siya kataas. And we will go around para makita nyo siya. There are other visitors as well. Ayan. Ganyan. Syempre, this is once in a lifetime experience, so we must try it. And don't miss the opportunity. Before, I admit may mga areas tayong napuntahan na instead of trying the place, inumit na lang. Pero now, syempre, Eiffel Tower is Eiffel Tower. So, sinigurado ko talaga na makakaakyat kami ni Diana. Pinilit ko si Diana actually. So, ayan. So, tingnan natin kung makakaakyat pa tayo sa taas. So, ayan guys, yung mga height ng buildings. So, pagdating sa Manila, wala. There's no building in Manila. So, we are on the top of the Eiffel Tower. This is the summit of the Eiffel Tower. So, ayan guys, nakababa na kami and unfortunately, pagbaba ko, wala na akong salamin. I lost my glasses because it's too windy upstairs. Or not upstairs, but it's too windy up there. Because we went to the summit and then dun sa isang area on where pwede mong ikutin kasi ng 360. When I approached the other side, it became too windy to the point that my glasses flew up to the sky. So anyway, okay lang naman yan. So we will now look for our dinner and then that's it for today. So I'll keep you guys updated. Mostly, siguro hindi nyo na ako nakikita. So ayan, dumikit na lang ako dyan sa ilaw. And I'll update you na lang guys kapag nakahanap na kami ng makakainan. Bye bye!